Welcome back to another update of my Wealthsimple trade portfolio. This account is starting off pretty slow, but as I keep depositing more funds and receiving dividends, I will be able to buy more stocks and venture out into other companies. We can see in the past week this portfolio is up 1%, and this is pretty much due to the price gains of TELUS and VDY. I intend to build up some core holdings in the beginning stages of this portfolio to create predictable and stable foundations we can compound dividends with. Without regular contributions, the compounding pace would be painfully slow. This portfolio currently holds 4 shares of TELUS and 6 shares of VDY. Going forward, I'm going to focus on building up the VDY position, since they do pay a regular monthly dividend. I do believe since this portfolio is so new and small, it is crucial to have funds available to reinvest. Later, when multiple individual companies are held in this portfolio, I won't be concerned compounding dividends monthly. Rather, there would be a regular stream of dividends from various sources. But as of right now, I will focus on building one monthly stream from VDY. To track my progress, I will use trackyourdividends.com. So let's see what kind of metrics they have. Trackyourdividends.com takes share inputs like price and number of shares and calculates the average yield, yield on cost, annual income, and beta for your portfolio. For anyone looking to use trackyourdividends.com, you can't link up your brokerage account to automatically update the holdings. It must be manually entered. So these holdings only show 4 shares of VDY, not 6. But an investor that is dedicated, this website is a great tool. It can display the diversification of assets and industries of individual holdings, so the investor can determine underweight or overweight exposures. Another great tool to use is the upcoming dividends page that shows us upcoming dividends we can expect from our holdings. It is more clear when multiple holdings are held in the portfolio, so an investor can see how each dividend cycle looks. VDY pays a monthly dividend, and TELUS pays a quarterly dividend, so as of right now we get more dividends on 4 of the 12 months, and this page clearly shows the predicted distributions for these holdings for future months. The most interesting resource is the future value function, which takes the historical price and dividend categories and projects them into the future, giving an estimate for total value of the portfolio and annual dividend income for each year. Note, these projections only take into account the current holdings, as if nothing more will be done, but we can expect our total value and annual income to be much higher in the future, since we are regularly contributing more funds to invest with. So if you want to see how my strategy performs, follow along by giving a like and subscribing. Be sure to stay up to date with weekly shorts that indicate buys and sells of this portfolio.